Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive notifications by email for live videos in Facebook on your PC. Never miss a live video from your favorite people or pages with these simple steps. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the notification icon from the top right corner. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, click on the 3 dots icon to access additional options. Step 4. From the menu, select Notification Settings to customize your notification preferences. Step 5. Click on Videos to open it. Step 6. Toggle on the switch next to Email. Make sure you toggle on the switch next to Email to enable email notifications for live videos. Also, ensure that you toggle on the switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook under These are notifications for when people or pages you follow broadcast a live video. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll start receiving notifications by email for live videos in Facebook on your PC. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.